Okay, hello all. I, uh, I'm back again with this Godin wood stove. It's a cooking stove with an oven that I really like to have for the garden. So it was sitting here for a while because, as you can see, it looks pretty good for an old stove of the 1920s, 1930s. And here's my Yotel wood stove next to it. So I try to get rid of my mess. You can see I have a lot of stuff. It's a bit too much. So here I'm sorting some things out. I cleaned a lot of tools the last days. Here's the plate of the stove. You see it got that major crack in it. So it's almost true and true, like here. And, but on the other side, it looks very, very good. So I try to stitch it with this plates here. And that's what I'm going to try and drill now. So, safety glasses on, and this is my belt-driven drill press. Hope you can see it a bit better. And I have to tighten this belt up here. I hope it's not too fast. It's in the middle, so need to have some traction. And I also have a new switch here to put on the line shaft. Some lubrication. Now we can drill. So it's all true and true. So now I'm going for the next. It is in all three. And shift this a bit to the side. Difficult to do with one hand, but there it is. Tighten it up. Check again. Some extra lubrication. Working really good, this stuff. one. Belt is slipping a bit. We're through. So that's it for drilling. Now I'm going to drill the plate. There's my line shaft. It's all up there. And now I'm going to try to fix it. Here's all the mess. I collect too many stuff. We also renewed this. There's a safe sort of, yeah, it was a metal tube or a metal rod, and now it's from a hard plastic to make it not too conductive. And we also did renew all the contacts. So yes, I'm going now to the other job. Brace this plate and looking if I'm can fire it. I need to clean it out a bit. I got the plate to hold this crack in place on the drill. So now I drill some pilot holes and then I drill through and through. I make 3 of this. So 1 there. And this was fitting just under the letters. And maybe 1 here. I think I go with the top 2 first. Maybe that is enough, because you can see the crack is till here, and this is the upper crack. So I only brace this one because that's open and this is a closed crack. So I don't see anyway why I should brace that. Hope this is working. And if the weather is good, because it started to rain, if the weather is better, then I hope to fire up the stove for the first time. I made the first 2 holes. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It fits great. So As you can see, this shattered a bit, but it's a different derailleur than regular metal. But for now, this has to do. Hope they line up correctly, and gonna make the screws in, and then I hope I finish this up. So as you can see, I cleaned this up a bit. The top is repaired so far. I could repair it. It looks now like this, and these are some racks, paper racks that I use to clean the top off with some raw linseed oil. So I hope that I can fire it up soon, and that it will do a good job this summer to cook on outside. I have some roadway to go outside, and yeah, give it a place for now. It's a bit of a mess, still cleaning out, sorting stuff, and this going another place too. So let's see if we can fire this baby up.